I want to tell you the best journey of my life.
Now I'm in Rangit Kecil, this beautiful, amazing island. Just look around me. Amazing, beautiful. I'm so happy to come here. And beside me, I have this amazing lighthouse. One of the most beautiful things I've ever seen.
This is the first woman I loved.
I love this place. So many palm trees.
She's the one who introduced me to this place, to let me find an answer. I think this is the time to let the adventure begin.
Hey, penutupan Anda.
Excuse me, you know where is this place?
You can come with us, tapi kamu harus lanjut lagi pakai kapal.
Can I join you?
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
I met good people along the way. Their kindness really moved me.
Bang Manap, ini ada kebetulan ini mau ke pulau. Tolong diantar lah.
Hello. Hi, nice to meet you, Matt. Come on, buddy. Goodbye. Bye. See you.
Along the journey, I can see why my mom was so in love with this place. My whole sense awakened by this incredible nature. And the people who are sincere can be seen and felt.
Ikan. Good.
I learned that behind every graceful movement of this dance has a special meaning. I've had the best shower of my life. Explored the most tranquil forest that make me hear my own heartbeat. Every single thing of this place make my heart tied up with love. Just like what it did to her.
What will you do when I leave?
I'm gonna miss you. This is for you. Dipakai ya, jangan hilang.
I love it. Terima kasih. She's like the sister I never had.
I understand the meaning of her words now. A journey is about connection, interaction, mutual respect. It's about each other. Not only about receiving, but also about giving. Now I need to find the connection. The woman that she always talk about.
Ini kamu dapat dari mana?
Oh, di sini. This one was given by my mother.
Kamu sudah tepat datang kemari. Nah, tujuan kamu ada beberapa kilo lagi dari sini. Kamu bisa jalan agak berapa kilo lagi ke pesisir. Kamu akan jumpa dengan orang yang ngasih kalung ke mama kamu.
Excuse me, you know where is this place?
Lurus, belok kanan, situlah tempatnya.
Oh, okay, thank you.
This is the journey between me and my mom. To find another home.
Selamat sore, Ibu.
Siapa itu?
Do you remember this?
Oh, iya. Seren ya?
Yeah, I'm her son.
Yuk, ke rumah.
Yeah, it's been so long. I've been traveling all around you.
Under the starlight, we'll find our way, I know.
This is what Aceh has given me. A beautiful place with clear blue water and a diamond bright sands. Where kindness and comfort always here for me. A place that I call home. my first time in Aceh, and I know it won't be the last.
The light of Aceh, wonderful Indonesia.